Hello there, fellow humans. Welcome to a world where the unexpected is the norm and surprises are just around the corner. Tonight we delve into the wacky world of medicine. Yes, you heard that right. Medicine isn't just about those boring pills and syrups. It's a realm full of quirks and unexpected twists. Yes, medicine, that thing you find in your bathroom cabinet next to the expired cough syrup. You know, the one you keep just in case but never actually use. But hold on to your hats, folks, because we're talking about groundbreaking stuff here. Stuff that will make you rethink everything you know about those little bottles and tablets. We're talking multiple sclerosis, MS, treatments. Yes, MS, that tricky condition that has puzzled doctors and scientists for years. You see, MS is a bit of a jerk. It doesn't play fair. It messes with your immune system, causing it to attack the protective coating of your nerves. Not cool, right? This leads to a range of symptoms that can be really tough to deal with, but here's where it gets interesting. The world of medicine is full of surprises, and sometimes the solutions come from the most unexpected places. Scientists, those brilliant minds in lab coats, have discovered that some medicines, originally intended for other ailments, are surprisingly effective in treating MS. It's like a plot twist in a movie. It's like finding out your grandma's knitting needles double as lightsabers. Who knew that something so ordinary could have such extraordinary uses? Now I know what you're thinking. You're probably wondering how this all works, and if it's really as amazing as it sounds. John, you say, this is serious stuff, and you're absolutely right. MS is no laughing matter. It's a serious condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It can be debilitating and life-changing, but that doesn't mean we can't approach it with a bit of humor and lightheartedness. And you're right, it's not. But sometimes a little laughter can make a tough situation a bit more bearable. It can bring a bit of light into the darkness, but laughter, my friends, is the best medicine. Well, second best. We still need those actual medicines to do the heavy lifting. They are the real heroes in this story, working behind the scenes to help people live better lives. The point is, approaching this topic with a little humor can make it less daunting, more digestible, and who knows, maybe even a tad entertaining. So get yourselves ready. We're about to embark on a hilarious journey through the unexpected world of MS treatments. Get ready to be amazed, amused, and maybe even a little enlightened. Let's dive in. Gap 3ES. Before we dive deeper into this roller coaster of medical marvels, let's take a quick pit stop. If you're enjoying these unexpected twists and turns in the world of MS treatments, why not give us a thumbs up? And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we uncover more quirky, fascinating, and downright amazing stories from the world of medicine. We promise to keep you entertained, informed, and maybe even a little bit surprised. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep this journey going together. First up, we have the dynamic duo of Metformin and Clemastine. These two might seem like an odd pair at first glance, but they are a powerhouse when it comes to tackling multiple health issues. Now, Metformin is usually found hanging out with its diabetes buddies, helping regulate blood sugar. It's a staple in the diabetes community, known for its ability to keep glucose levels in check and improve insulin sensitivity. Clemastine, on the other hand, is more of an allergy reliever, tackling those pesky sniffles. It's the go-to for anyone suffering from seasonal allergies, providing much-needed relief from symptoms like sneezing and runny noses. But guess what? Together, they're like the Avengers of myelin repair. This unexpected team-up is showing promise in the fight against multiple sclerosis, MS. Myelin, as you might recall, is that crucial protective coating around your nerves. It's essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system, acting like insulation on electrical wires. MS damages it, but these two team up to rebuild it. Who knew, right? This collaboration could be a game-changer for those suffering from MS, offering new hope for repair and recovery. And if that wasn't enough, we have pioglitazone strutting onto the scene. This drug, primarily used for diabetes, is now showing potential in the realm of MS treatment. This diabetes drug has decided to moonlight as an MS warrior, potentially preventing myelin damage in the first place. It's like it's taken on a second job, fighting on two fronts. That's like finding out your accountant is also a black belt in karate. Unexpected, but awesome. These developments are opening up exciting new possibilities in the treatment of MS, showing that sometimes the best solutions come from the most unexpected places. Next, let's talk about BTK inhibitors. Don't worry, they're not as intimidating as they sound. These bad boys were initially designed to throw a wrench in the gears of cancer cells. But now, they've turned their attention to MS, acting like bodyguards for your precious nerves, shielding them from those pesky immune system attacks. Talk about a career change. Section 4. EBV, public enemy number 1, at least for MS. Now let's shine a spotlight on ATA-188, the Epstein-Barr virus assassin. You see, scientists believe there might be a link between the Epstein-Barr virus, the one that causes mono, and MS. Enter ATA-188, like a microscopic hitman, targeting and neutralizing this potentially troublesome virus. It's like a scene straight out of a spy thriller, but on a cellular level. Section 5. Stem cells. The ultimate immune system. Makeover. Last but not least, we have the rock stars of regenerative medicine, stem cells. Think of stem cell therapy as the ultimate immune system makeover. It's like hitting the reset button, replacing those faulty immune cells with fresh new ones. Out with the bad, in with the good. Section 6. Spread the laughter, share the hope. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the exciting world of MS treatments. It's truly amazing to see how far we've come in understanding and managing this condition. From innovative therapies to groundbreaking research, the journey has been nothing short of inspiring. Who knew medicine could be so full of surprises? It's not just about pills and procedures, it's about improving lives and bringing joy back to those who need it most. The power of laughter and hope cannot be underestimated. But on a serious note, these advancements offer hope and a hefty dose of optimism for those living with MS. It's a reminder that science and compassion go hand in hand, creating a brighter future for everyone. And that's where you come in, dear viewers. Your support, your laughter, and your hope can make a world of difference. By sharing this knowledge, you become a beacon of light for those navigating the challenges of MS. Share this knowledge, spread the laughter, and let's keep the hope alive. Together, we can create a community that thrives on positivity and resilience. Because sometimes, all it takes is a little bit of humor and a whole lot of science to make a real difference. It's the small moments of joy that can have the biggest impact. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and most importantly, stay hilarious. Keep spreading the laughter and sharing the hope, because together, we can make a difference.